What's happening, Evolvers? This week's stories and features is a vibe. Coming up, Rihanna, Super Bowl's performance, Massacre signs to Def Jam, Plantation Smokehouse visit, new music, and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Come make we hear what one. History making out here. Just a new beginning. If you haven't heard, well, I'm just glad to be the first to tell you that dancehall artist Massacre is signed to New York-based recording label Def Jam. Under his new record deal, he released his first song featuring dancehall artist Shaggy titled Pieces.
Pieces, pieces. Just picking up the pieces from the puzzle of life on my journey. Man, I won't be a dog, me stand sturdy. Me no won't be a night, me no won't be a day. Mommy, don't worry, you fi know your child different. I fi build a house, they a make that they drive the Benz. She am all a house, I get to youth designed for dead. Highly blessed with a vision and them could do blind the lens.
Talk about marketing, and an amazing, legendary performance from Bajan celebrity and business mogul Rihanna at the 2023 Super Bowl finals. Rihanna gave a performance like no other and took every moment she possibly could to market her brand. Fenty, Savage, you name it, Rihanna on it, Rihanna marketed. Talk about top-notch business woman. Even though she had a few fans wondering if she was just gorgeously chubby around her tummy area, only to find out that Riri was expecting baby number 2 with rapper boyfriend A$AP Rocky baby. Here's a few snippets on her performance. On the TT Live online series called Now, hosted by Raucous, international reggae dancehall artist Shaggy discussed collaborations with soca artists for 2023. So for all my soca dancehall lover, we fetting real good because as Shaggy said, feeling good is not seasonal, it's all year round. Here's a bite from the interview.
As you go through like the career span as mine, I've always loved soca music and just the culture of from calypso go straight back down in Jamaica. You talk about we're talking about from the Sparrow to the Lord Larrow to all of those songs from those artists early back up. I was raised on those in Jamaica.
Okay.
So there's always been a love of that kind of music, the melodies and the feel-goodness of them. So I think out of the pandemic came that whole vibe because we're so locked down and I said, let's find something that make us feel good. And this was just one of the songs that I wrote while I was locked in the pandemic because I was doing a Christmas album, which was Christmas in the Islands at the time.
Okay.
And I came up with that song during that time and I said, this don't feel like I wouldn't want this for Christmas. And that's when the idea came to me. I said, let's do it like almost like a soca feel-good record.
Yeah.
And it is a hybrid. It is a hybrid.
It definitely is a hybrid, but I understand that you also have some collaborations coming with some other soca artists as well.
Man, it's actually a full EP.
A full soca EP.
Started from that one song, and I just continue writing a bunch of stuff.
Yeah.
And with that one song, once I finish with it, I say, this sound like Kes. And I call Kes and I say, yo, this vibe, and he said, boy, I really really like it. And we ended up doing it.
Yeah.
But we have songs with
I hear Patrice.
Patrice,
I hear
Skinny, Bungie.
Okay. Okay. So when can we look forward to those dropping?
I think the whole album should be coming within, I would say, our next couple of weeks. I would imagine.
So it's not, you're not timing it for the season of Carnival in Trinidad?
No, because it's really, I really don't. You're getting into a whole thing of Carnival being seasonal. You know what I mean? As we go big on these songs, become more hybrid, you want to get out of the pattern of just being seasonal. You know what I mean? Feeling good is not seasonal. Feeling good is
all year round.
All
it's
year
annual.
round.
Yeah.
Yes, all year round.
I guess it's safe to say that the queen of dancehall is about to be back. Spice announced on Wednesday, February 15, that she'll be performing in Amazura, Queens, New York on April 8th for Diamonds. Even though her first actual show is on March 24th over the Cayman Islands at a show dubbed Start the Fun Music Festival. Spice took some time off from the musical scene to recover from a ruptured hernia and sepsis in November last year. This week was the week of Valentine's, and to fuse that with Reggae Month celebration, Reggae Wednesday did a show dubbed Love a Dub with acts such as Denique, D Major, plus lots more, hosted by the great MC Richie B. And to mention, there was a reggae fashion show by 16 Model Management held at the Festival Marketplace at the Kingston Waterfront. Here are the highlights.
So tonight here, it's Love a Dub. That's the theme. And I find that quite intriguing.
He say, she say over dividends. Nobody wants step up to make a wins. This one I wait and that one for Tell me, how does all of this make sense? Cause everybody want be right. Losing sight further down the line. Thinking it's fine, so now tell me, what if that person dies? How would you feel in that time? So don't wait till I'm gone to say I love you. Don't wait till I cry to say I trust you again. 'Cause once I'm gone, I'm not the one you run to. Do I make myself clear? Who knows if I will be there? Maybe I don't know. Da 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 da. Who knows if I will be there? Maybe I don't know. Da 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 da. One your name.
Got 7 days to spend with my 7 ladies, and I've got 7 ways for making like we're making babies, and I've got love for days to satisfy your love addiction. Never let them go away. True, heaven sent me set. Watch me demo. Monday, I for check my gal when him Sunday. Cruise on the coast, you have me sipping on brandy. It's good for your voice. Wish I had a choice, till me buck up on choice that I Tuesday. Line her up with Britney. 2 of them want to make a cruisy like it. You 2 and me. Oh, what is this thing coming to? 7 days spent with my 7 ladies, and I've got 7 ways, oh yeah. Make it like we're making babies, a true that. Love for days to satisfy your love addiction. Never let them go away.
Last night, special request to all the lovers. Or if you're aspiring to be in love, come with love. Me and my baby, we have our problems, but we always work them out. Yes, yes. We always work them out. Disagreements, we know how to solve them, yeah. That's what love's about, yes, yes. Are you in love? Listen, even if we fight, it's hard to break up. Wanna see your face when I wake up. Genuine love is what we're made of. That's what I found in you, baby. Even when times get hard, me and you got the best. We've been through the test of times, lady. Yet we're still together, me and my baby. We have a, I said we always work them out, yeah. Always disagreements, we know how to solve them. Yes, that's what love's about. That's what love's about.
If you give me like this and I give you like that, baby boy, wouldn't that be sweet? Baby, when I give you like that, will you give me right back? Cause I wanna get your hooks on me. Said if you give me like this, can I give you like that? Baby boy, wouldn't that be neat? Baby, when I give you like that, no, you have to come back. Cause I'm gonna get your hooks on me. Me and you together, baby, wouldn't that be cool? I'm floating with the clouds, I'm walking on the chop. Boy, I love your style, I love your sexy attitude. And every time I see you, got me acting like a, ain't like the mother girls, I ain't standing in no line. Step into your straight, baby, even though I'm shy. Caught you off guard, I can see it in your eyes. I'm the one you want, and you're my kind of guy. So give me what I want now, babe. I know what I need, and it's you now, babe. Whenever I hear my name, it's hitting you, it ain't the same. My body's calling for you, so come on now. If you give me like this, and I give you like, baby boy, wouldn't that be? Baby, when I give you like that, will you give me right back? Cause I wanna get your hooked on me. Said if you give me like this, can I give you like that? Baby boy, wouldn't that be neat? Baby, when I give you like, no, you're hungry for me. Cause I'm gonna get you hooked, gonna get your hooked on me. Gonna get your hooked on me. I wanna get your hooked on me. Make me believe you. When you lie, you lie, you lie. Make me believe you. Baby, all you have to do is try. Make me believe you. And if it's all the same to you, I want to believe you. So make me believe. Watch out, love when you put on a show. You're so convinced I believe you, but boy, I know, say you have something to hide. The two are we, I play fool for catch wise.
I bless the day I found you.
About Plantation Smokehouse in Runaway Bay, then you're either an insider or you're not a foodie. But for those of us, like me, myself, and I, who are definitely a foodie, and we're always outside, we know that for great food, art, good vibes, plus a customer service that's unbeatable, Plantation Smokehouse is the place to be. We took the initiative to highlight them for their 3rd year anniversary that was celebrated on Love Day, February 14th. Take a look.
My name is Alwyn Brown, owner of Plantation Smokehouse.
All right. Tell us a little bit about Plantation Smokehouse and how you started.
St. Ann is growing rapidly, and I mean, I have experience from Shaggy's, and I think the area needed something different, something new, something trending, something to fit all of the development we're going by the place. So I spent close to a year developing the concept. Yeah. And we started February 14, 2020. Apart from the excellent food, I must say, that we prepare, I mean, it's just the ambience, the environment, it's the whole package that we offer. Because it's not just about food. Plantation Smokehouse is about food and entertainment and art. Yeah, it's a whole vibe.
Celebrated the restaurant's 3rd year anniversary, right? And that's on Valentine's Day. As you said, you guys opened on February 14th. What was that like?
It was amazing. I mean, we really feel good to see that after 3 years we still have the same support like from day one. And we had just about 2,000 persons. And it was a whole vibe. We had a performance by Da Vinci. Yeah, it was great. On a weekend, we start on Thursday to Sunday, we have our in-house DJs and we have our own music system, so we just create a vibe for the weekend. And the highlight is on a Friday night. On a Friday night, we have a live band performance that every Friday, rain or shine. Alright, so in St. Ann, we're located at Richmond. It's right on the highway, and we have a huge sign. I don't think you'll miss it. And in Kingston, 33 Constant Spring Road at The Lot. On social media, you can find us at Plantation Smokehouse and all social media handles.
I just love how each and every week we have some great new music to introduce to you all. This week, we feature Valiant with Loverboy, TJ with Lonely Road, King Croft with Souffle, Pampote with Grateful, and Patrice Roberts and Michelle Montano with Like Yourself. Take a look.
Tropical oasis, I'm away with you for months. I know what's your favorite, been years with you, not months. Oh baby, my love is so patient. Nobody to blame you now. Nobody to blame you now. don't sleep. Go off, don't tease. Dance for a minute. Stay up, don't sleep. Go off, don't tease. Something sweet for dessert. Souffle.
Say me thankful, me live thankful. Grateful me I drive through me have a gas tank full. Appreciate the handful, till it flip and turn a man full. Bad mind forget cancel.
Good time I follow you once and never when I follow I like it. And if you feel to wine on everybody inside, yeah. Like yourself, like yourself, like yourself. So you could.
We are so grateful for your continued support and viewing each and every week. But we've come to the end of another great episode of PBCJ's E-Volve. We'd like to say a big and hearty thank you for watching. I'm your host, Alicia. Remember to follow us on all socials at PBCJamaica. Also, if you have a story to share, email us at asteel@pbcjamaica.org. A big thank you to Hair Addiction Collections. And remember to follow them on all socials at Hair Addiction Collections. See you next week, same time, same place. Remember to live an entertaining lifestyle.